Okay, the entire focus of this video is going to be around this temple. So let me get a little closer and tell y'all about it in a minute. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so this is going to be our focus today, this temple, and just kind of show the context of where it's at. There's like kind of pedestrian street, no cars allowed, and this little corner, and then this one is cars. It's a one-way street, and that looks like that. Kind of a cool looking street because it goes up a little bit, and then this one goes down a little bit. And there's some kids right on the corner there. It's funny, they're kind of on a rooftop. They're practicing, see, like a little leg, dragon head dance thing too. So I don't know. And then we have this little cool space right here, which is going to be the main focus. Huh, look at this. This rooftop has a little cool stuff up there. So anyways, let's check this out, and we'll go into more detail into this, including what the name of it is. Here we go. Here's in English. Okay. Tcha Temple. It's also in Chinese as well, so you can read whatever language it is that you read. Just pause it and stop. These are always kind of cool, and so are those. And so is this. Some old photographs here. And some old cars too. Okay. It's beautiful. I like the way that illuminates. So we are going to follow this one down in a second. Oh, there's so much cool detail everywhere here. So before we do, this is where we are. Okay, so we're going to follow into this way. So, okay, let me just see. Patio de Pomba. So let's just see what's on this side. And then this is kind of backside of our temple. Some kind of empty space right here. And we have this little alleyway, apartments, and all these cool stuff like this. Oh, looks like then you have more. You just kind of follow this down a little bit and then come back up a little bit. I like this bright purple building. So let's just follow this through. Let's just follow this all the way up. It's a bit of a glare of the sun. Okay. Like, sorry. So this is like some kind of school right here. So yeah, I don't know. I think they were practicing up there, so there was something up there. So we're just gonna go down a little bit and then we'll look back up again. So yeah, there's a dragon right there. And then there's our temple up that way. Okay, so I think we're gonna walk back up towards our temple and then we'll conclude in kind of a circular pattern. And this is kind of a part of the temple as well, I think. And then this is where we started. So now you can kind of see the whole area of what this looks like. And we're gonna end it right there. Chiquinha, Chiquinha.